welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be not doing a challenge or stuff, but I am going to be showing some airplanes I drew on some pieces of paper. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the first airplane I have is the Southwest Airlines 787, the Boeing 787. Here's a final look. Comment down below how you like that. The next one is American Airlines, the Boeing 787 as well. Comment below if you liked it. And this is Spirit Airlines 787 as well. I have a lot of 787s here. The last one I have, Alaska Airlines. So yeah. Once again, I'm going to reveal the airlines. Southwest Airlines 787, Boeing 787. Alaska Airlines, Boeing 787 as well. Spirit Airlines, Boeing 787. And American, Boeing 787. So guys, I'm not done with the video yet. I'm just gonna be giving some special shout outs today. And I would like to give the first shout out to Marlo Steiner. The second special shout out to Jared Punzalan. And the third one, I would like to give a shout out to Nicholas Adams. And the fourth one, I would like to give a shout out to Quentin Green. Thank you for teaming up with me and helping me think of what videos I should make. And please go to their channels, and the link will be in the description below, so it'll be in the link description below. And thank you for watching the video, guys. If you liked it, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, follow me on social media, and I will see you in my next video. And I post on Tuesdays, Fridays, and holidays. If I don't post on Fridays, if I don't post on Fridays, that's if I'm busy or stuff. So yeah, today I posted. Thank you for watching. Special shout out, people. I will have a time to I have the time to write you something so you could remember that you're one of my special shout out people, and I will do so if I can on the editing. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, smash that like button again. Turn on notifications, subscribe, so follow me on social media, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Peace.